Are you looking for a faster, more efficient way to sand back epoxy coatings, textured coatings like flake, and also pebblecrete? With the EC8 with the 46 grit abrasive brush is the machine for you. So these brushes were initially designed for taking coatings off timber decking, but after recent consultation with epoxy suppliers and installers, we've found they're an amazing product and taken the industry by surprise on how effective they are at fixing potential issues when you've had adhesion problems, bubbling problems with top coats. You can just sand off just what you need. You don't have to pull out the big grinder and go back to plain concrete. It can save you thousands of dollars and hours of time. It's a very simple machine to dismantle, 3 parts. Firstly, disconnect the electrical, pressing the red tab, that comes away. You slide the little lever over, drop the drum down, a clutch disengages, and there's a bracket behind the back. You flip that up, the main arm comes off, also the dust chute comes off as well. So that's our 3 parts. Obviously reverse that, put it back together, put our main arm back in, and clip it back up. The lever engages, and then our electrical's done. Very simple, very fast.